Let's discuss first the one-year bar rule on the first complaint. Which holds precedence? Is it the earlier ruling of the Supreme Court or the January 29 ruling?
Well, yun po nga sinabi ng House Committee on Justice, mas mahalaga po yung express na binanggit po ng Korte Suprema na Feb 6 po yung reckoning date ng pong bagong mga impeachment complaints. No? So ibig sabihin, yung po nasa resolution kasi walang binabanggit So we are just implying it as lawyers or advocates na hindi, we can actually file before Feb 6 dahil nagbago ng mga definition. Yung pong resolution po ng Supreme Court. So, I think yung pong House Committee on Justice would want to err on the side of what the Supreme Court actually said expressly, which is yung pong Feb 6 reckoning date. No? So, that is what had happened when we set aside the Makabayan petition.
Because once again, this could be challenged before the Supreme Court and lead to another delay.
Well, pagka ho talagang beyond the Feb 6 na po, either filing and referral, I think I'm quite certain na there can be no resort anymore to the Supreme Court for this new impeachment complaint. Kasi talaga ho nga, whether filing or whether referral, after Feb 6 na po yan nangyari. No? So, tingin ko, mababasura po ng Korte Suprema pag yan po yung magiging basis ng Supreme Court challenge.